Are genetic factors linked to early-onset dementia? Some people wonder if genes play a role in early-onset dementia, especially when symptoms appear before age 65. The answer is yes. Genetics are strongly linked to many cases of early-onset dementia. In particular, early-onset Alzheimer's disease is often connected to specific gene mutations. Researchers have identified 3 rare but highly impactful gene variants that cause most cases of early-onset Alzheimer's. These are the amyloid precursor protein gene, known as AP, and the presenilin 1 and presenilin 2 genes, called SEN1 and SEN2. If someone inherits a mutation in any of these genes from a parent, they have a very high chance of developing symptoms early, sometimes as young as their 30s or 40s. These gene mutations affect how proteins are made and processed in the brain, leading to the buildup of amyloid plaques. These plaques are sticky clusters that damage brain cells and are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. For example, changes in the AP gene cause abnormal protein fragments that from these plaques. Mutations in SEN1 and SEN2 disrupt normal protein processing, which speeds up disease progression. Besides these 3 genes, another important factor is the APOE epsilon 4 allele. This gene variant increases the risk of early-onset Alzheimer's but does not guarantee it. It is considered a risk factor rather than a direct cause. People with Down syndrome also face a higher risk because they have an extra copy of chromosome 21, which carries the AP gene. This often leads to early development of Alzheimer's symptoms in their 50s or 60s. While these genetic factors explain many cases, not all early-onset dementia is linked to known mutations. Ongoing research continues to uncover other genetic factors that might influence when symptoms start or how quickly they progress. Understanding these genetic links is vital for early diagnosis, family counseling, and developing targeted treatments. If someone has a family history of early-onset dementia or known genetic mutations, consulting a healthcare professional or genetic counselor is highly recommended. They can help assess personal risk and suggest appropriate monitoring or testing. In summary, genetic factors, especially mutations in AP, SEN1 and SEN2, are strongly associated with early-onset dementia, mainly early-onset Alzheimer's disease. This knowledge is helping scientists develop better ways to diagnose and treat this challenging condition. Remember, each person's situation is unique, so personalized medical advice is always the best course of action.